All right, so we've got Chris's car pretty much fully compounded and buffed out. We've still got to go over it with a polish and whatnot. But what I'm going to show you is we're going to put the door handles in, side scoops, and a few other small pieces like door moldings and fun stuff like that. So that's what we're about to do. Car is looking awesome. And this thing's going to be a complete car in like, I don't know, 3-4 hours. All it is a whole bunch of bolts that we got to make sure fit correctly.
That's only compounded, so we still have 3 more steps before the paint is actually 100% done. But we're going to put it together and then go over it with the polish, and then we're going to ceramic coat it. All that. So I guess right now we're going to start the time lapse. What do you say?
Yep.
So enjoy the time lapse.
Chris, so your car did not have the right taillight nuts or the screws in here, at least that we couldn't find, that were correct. So we're putting all the correct hardware in the car, and it's looking good so far. so me and Tyler just spent the last 30 minutes looking for the headlight plug on the passenger side when Chris didn't tell us that these aftermarket headlights don't have the same plug. So anyways, we did find the plugs for them. These headlights look awesome, and we're about to unwrap them. So they're looking awesome, and we're just putting the final touches on the car. Everything's turning out awesome so far, Chris.